In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a photo in Canva. If you want to quickly adjust the angle of an image and make your design look cleaner, more balanced, or a little more creative, Canva makes the process very simple. Rotating a photo is useful when you need to straighten an image, create a dynamic layout, or just position it so it fits better with the rest of your design. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open one you've already been working on. This can be any type of project, like a social media post, presentation slide, flyer, or thumbnail. Once your design is on the screen, take a moment to locate the image you want to adjust. If your page includes multiple photos, make sure you identify the correct one before making changes. Next, select the photo or photos you want to rotate. You can do this by clicking directly on the image. When the photo is selected, you'll see the editing frame appear around it, which lets you know Canva is ready for you to make adjustments. If you're working with more than one image and want them to be rotated in the same way, select the photos you need before continuing. This helps keep your design consistent and saves time. After that, click the Rotate button. Once you select it, adjust the rotation to the angle you want. You can rotate the image slightly for a subtle correction, or move it further if you're going for a more stylized look. Try to pay attention to how the image aligns with other elements on the page, such as text, shapes, or spacing, so the final result feels intentional and visually balanced. As you rotate the photo, it's a good idea to pause and preview how it looks in the overall design, rather than focusing only on the image itself. Even a small angle change can affect the composition of the page. If something looks off, just fine-tune the rotation until it feels right. And that's it. Once you've rotated the photo as desired, your updated image placement will help improve the overall presentation of your Canva design. This is a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished and professional your content appears.